Hello, Namaskar and welcome to my channel. First of all, my apology for bringing this episode much later than what I was expecting. This is next episode for Rag Bhoog. I have covered outline and alap. So today I'm going to go through Chota Khayal Bandish, which is kind of small song, and some alap, like free format rendering, and then some taal. And towards the end, if time permits, I may spend some time on how to decorate the notes in Rag Bhoog, the articulation of notes, which is very important to really give the right effect of Rag Bhoog. So this flute is A sharp flute, and I use it because I can sometimes hum the note with it. So because it's not very high pitch. Okay, so coming back to Bhoog, it is pentatonic rag, Audo, and Aro is Sa Re Ga Pa Da Sa, Avaro is Sa Da Pa Ga Re Sa. Here it is. So once you have established the outline of raga and did some alap, then that's the logical point to play some bandish. So the bandish I have chosen is a Guru Vandana, and it's quite famous. You must have heard it. So I'm going to read here. Namana kar chatura Shri Guru Charana, Tanamana nirmala kar bhavatarna. And the stanza is Johi Johi Dhyavat Shubha Phala Pavat Janama Marana Dukha Sabanista. So that's the bandish. I'm going to post this bandish and all the notations in the description, so you don't have to write it down. So coming to the first line, Namana Kar Chatura Shri Guru Charana. So out of that first line, the first part is Namana Kar Chatur. So that starts from ninth beat. It is set in Tigra Ta Teen Ta. So Namana Kar Chatur goes as Sa 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 Dha Pa Ga Re Sa. Here it is. Namana Kar Chatur, Namana Kar Chatur, Sa 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 Dha Pa Ga Re Sa. My notes when I sing are not perfect, so my apologies. Sa 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 Dha Pa Ga Re Sa. So you can play with me. Namana Kar Chatur, Shri Guru Charana. Sa Re Ga Re Ga. Or we can do Dha Sa Re Ga Re Ga. But in this rag we take Dha from the Sa, like Sa Dha. So you can write either way. Sa 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 Dha Pa Ga Re Sa Dha Sa Re Ga Re Ga. That also works. Sa 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 Dha Pa Ga Re Sa 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 Re Ga Re Ga. Now second line is Ga Ga Pa Dha Sa Dha Sa 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 Pa Dha Pa Ga Re Sa. Ga Ga Pa Dha Sa Dha Sa 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 Pa Dha Pa Ga Re Sa. Thana Mana Niramal Kar Bhavatarna. Thana Mana Niramal Kar Bhavatarna. So if you connect both, you get complete rendition. First line twice, the second line was again first line twice. So you can just practice this sequence. You can just go through it once more. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Ga ga pa dha sa sa pa dha pa ga re sa. Ga ga pa dha sa pa dha pa ga re sa dha pa ga re sa ga dha sa re ga re ga. So now we can just repeat the whole sequence in Sargam and then on flute. So in Sargam, sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Ga ga pa dha sa pa dha pa ga re sa. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa ga dha sa re ga re ga. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Sa 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 dha pa ga re sa dha sa re ga re ga. Here on the flute. So that takes care of Mukhda. So now we come to stanza. Stanza is Joyi Joyi Dhyavat Shubha Phala Pavat Janana Marana Dukha Sava Nistarna. So the first line notation is Ga 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 Pa Ga Pa Dha Sa 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 Dha Re Sa. जोही जोही ध्यावत शुभ फल पावत. The second line is sa re ga re sa sa dha pa ga re sa. Janana marana dukha saba nistarna. So we are going to connect everything. So that covers the complete bandish. So just for the sake of practice, I will play everything together.